Hi everyone! In this video, we are going to do an easy and quick warm-up sequence that you can use to stretch out before you work out. And if you are interested or curious about yoga, you can use this warm-up in any sports that you are into. So find grounding on both feet. Okay? Find the stance that's comfortable for you. And when you're ready, as you inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale, we'll fold forward, reach down. Inhale, come up halfway. You can bring your hands on your shins or on your thighs for the first round. And then as you exhale, ground through the palms, spread the fingers wide. We'll step back to a plank. Maybe hold here for a breath or two. And then as you exhale for the first flow, bring the knees down, reach the chest forward, lower down. Inhale, we'll roll up just the shoulders away from the mat. And then as you exhale, push back, downward facing dog. Starting on the right side, as you lift the right leg up, you will step it through in between the hands. You'll ground your left heel, plug your left leg down as you inhale, come up, reach the arms forward and up. Roll the left hip forward for warrior one. Exhale, we'll open up to warrior two. Bring the arms out to a T. Inhale, we'll reverse. Let your right palm reach up and over. Just let your left hand reach back or behind the lower back. And then as you exhale, we'll bring the palms down. Bringing the knees down. Inhale, lift the shoulders away from the mat. Exhale, push back. Downward facing dog. Left side, lift the left leg up. Step it through. Ground the right foot, find that comfortable angle for your right ankle. As you inhale, reach up. Exhale, you'll open up to warrior two. You can bend any amount. Inhale, let the left palm reach up and over for a reverse. Exhale, bring the hands down as you step back. Bring the knees down. Reach forward, lower down. Inhale. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can stay here for a few cycles of breath. But if you're building up to warming up, you can already step forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands back. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. As you exhale, ground through the palms. Already find that pushing away action. Step one foot back, followed by the other leg up. From here, you can draw the breath in. And then as you exhale, you'll reach the chest forward. You can lower down, all the way down, or hover halfway. As you inhale, straighten through the arms. Exhale, downward facing dog. Right side again, lift the right leg up. Step it through. Plug that left leg down. As you inhale, find traction at the legs, reach up. Exhale, open up again. Draw the belly in. Slowly we'll reverse. Reach back any amount. Keep that right leg bending. Exhale, hands all the way down. Finding plank. Exhale, hover, lower down all the way. Inhale, bracing the front body. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left side, lifting the left leg up. Step it through. As you ground through that right leg. Find traction again as you come up. Breathe in. Exhale, you'll open up to warrior two. Inhale, we'll add the reverse. Keep that left leg bending. Exhale, bring the palms down. Stepping back. Continuing to move. Inhale for your back bend. Exhale, downward facing dog. So coming back to the breath. Staying here for maybe 3 or 5 cycles of breath. And then when you're ready, so you look in between the hands, okay, stepping forward, coming up halfway, inhale, Exhale, fold. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, hands back. One more round. Inhale. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, ground through the palms. Find that pressing away action as you step back. Draw the belly in, bracing the front body as you hover. Inhale, maybe drawing the shoulders back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift the right leg up. As we step it through, find traction through the legs. Find that grounding stance as you inhale, lengthen up. Exhale, open up to warrior two. Inhale, we'll reverse, reaching back. Exhale, bring the palms down. Stepping back. Reaching forward as you hover. Inhale, shoulders roll back. Exhale, downward facing dog. Last side, lift up. Step it through. As you inhale, find traction, lengthen. Exhale, we'll open up. And we'll slowly reverse, reach back in your mount. Exhale, bringing the hands down. Keep moving, reaching forward. Inhale. And then exhale, downward facing dog. And then stay here for 3 to 5 cycles of breath. And then when you're ready, bringing the knees down. And then you're ready for your workout. So I hope that got your heart rate up and that you feel very warm already and ready to do your workout or whatever sports that you would like to do after that yoga warm-up. So I would like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.